Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare royal Falooda. It's a great dessert to enjoy during summer and is easy to prepare. So let's start with the ingredients. These are the ingredients we need to prepare Falooda. 2 flavored gelatin, ice cream, chopped fruits and nuts, rose milk and basil seeds. You can prepare 1 big glass or 2 small glasses of royal Falooda with the quantity I am going to mention in this video. So first let's prepare gelatin. You can use gelatin of any flavor or color of your choice. Here I have taken red and green color. Take a tablespoon of gelatin. Into that add 4 tablespoons of hot water. Stir nicely till it gets dissolved in the water. Then add 3 tablespoons of cold water and mix. Now let's refrigerate it for 4 hours or till it forms jelly. Do not keep it in freezer. Next we have to prepare rose milk. For that we need rice vermicelli. Always try to use thin and white color rice vermicelli like this one. Let's cut it into small pieces. This size is perfect. Excluding container, I have taken 30 grams of rice vermicelli. Then we need 1 cup or 335 ml milk, half teaspoon of rose essence, a drop of pink color and 2 tablespoons sugar. So let's start preparing rose milk with rice vermicelli. For that, heat a vessel on medium flame. To that, add 1 cup of milk. Stir occasionally and bring it to boil. This has started to boil. To that, add rice vermicelli. Stir occasionally and allow it to cook. Let's check if this has cooked. Perfect, this has cooked very well. Now add sugar and stir well till it gets dissolved in the milk. This is done. Turn off the gas flame. Now add half teaspoon of rose essence, a drop of pink color. We need a light pink color, so just a drop of color is enough. Combine this well with milk. So our rose milk with vermicelli is ready. We need chilled rose milk, so let's refrigerate it. Make sure all the ingredients you are using to make royal Falooda are nicely chilled. Next we need Tukmaria, also called as basil seeds or sabja. Take 2 teaspoons of basil seeds and soak it in room temperature water for 20 minutes. Then we need some fruits. You can use any fruits of your choice. Here I have taken black grapes, apple and mango. Cut it into small pieces like this. If the fruits you are using is not that sweet, then you may add 1 tablespoon of sugar into it. Now let's keep this in fridge and allow it to chill. Next we need some chopped nuts. I have taken pistachio, almond, cashew nut and raisins. Then we need 4 to 5 scoops of ice cream of any flavor. So all our ingredients are ready: vanilla flavored ice cream, fruits, jelly, basil seeds, nuts and rose milk. To assemble this Falooda, I have taken a big glass. You can use small glass as well. Except dry fruits, all the ingredients are chilled nicely. Before using basil seeds, you may drain out all the excess water from it. So let's start to assemble royal Falooda. First, place some jellies, then a scoop of ice cream. After that, a layer of basil seeds. Next, a layer of rose milk with vermicelli. Then goes in some fruits. Again jelly, some dry fruits, a scoop of ice cream. Repeat the same process and fill the glass. Our royal Falooda is ready to serve. If you guys are new to my channel, then please click on subscribe button. Do try this recipe and let me know your views in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Cooking Mojo.